If your Crossmember is old and rusted out, its structure may have lost integrity. This can cause many problems if it's not addressed. Thankfully, we've got the perfect reproduction for you. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 to 72 GM A-body rear frame crossmembers. These crossmembers are manufactured from a thick stamped steel plate for added stiffness and rigidity. Properly located holes for accessory and body bushing mounts add to the original appearance and functionality of each crossmember. At the end of production, every crossmember is properly coated with an electrodeposit primer. This is also known as EDP coating for short. EDP coatings help protect your part from harmful rust, so you'll be happy to know that your part will be ready to paint when you are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.